Have you ever pondered about the unseen talents of every student? Welcome to the world of RYL Neuroacademy, where we firmly believe in the power of talent. We strive to make this talent limitless so that by empowering students, we can provide them with the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive in various aspects of life. We envision a future where every student gets an opportunity to shine. At RYL Neuroacademy, we believe in the power of talent. Let us walk you through the key goals and benefits of our program. At RYL Neuroacademy, we are committed to fostering self-awareness and mindfulness. We envision a world where every student can manage stress, enhance focus, and understand themselves better. Our program also cultivates a robust mindset and effective goal-setting strategies, empowering students to overcome obstacles and achieve success in both academics and personal endeavors. We don't stop there. We understand the importance of resilience and emotional well-being, and we equip students with the tools to handle stress, build resilience, and confidently navigate complex emotions. Through engaging activities, we hone critical thinking and decision-making skills, enabling students to analyze situations, make informed decisions, and adapt to challenges. We believe in effective communication and social skills. Our program emphasizes active listening, empathy, assertiveness, and building positive relationships. Through NLP techniques, students program their minds for success, boosting confidence, motivation, and developing a positive outlook on life. We promote collaboration, teamwork, and community engagement, instilling values of cooperation and respect for diversity. With our program, we equip students with the tools to succeed in every aspect of life. Are you ready to join us on this transformative journey? At RYL Neuroacademy, we believe that each student holds an ocean of potential waiting to be discovered. Our holistic development program is not just about academics. It's about shaping futures, instilling values, and preparing students for success in every aspect of life. Imagine a classroom where students are not just memorizing facts, but programming their minds for success. Using neuro-linguistic programming techniques, our program helps students to rewire their thinking patterns, boost their confidence, increase their motivation, and develop a positive outlook on life. But it doesn't stop there. Our program goes beyond the individual, fostering a sense of community and collaboration. We believe in the power of teamwork and respect for diversity. Students learn to work together, solve problems collectively, and understand the importance of every voice in a group. They learn to embrace differences, respect viewpoints, and work towards a common goal. And this, we believe, is the secret to a brighter future, a future where students are not just academically successful, but emotionally intelligent, socially adept, and mentally resilient. A future where students are not just consumers of information, but creators of ideas. A future where students are not just followers, but leaders. It's time to unlock the potential within each student and create a brighter future together. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start the transformation today. Connect with us at RYL Neuroacademy to explore the power of innovative and holistic learning. Let's journey together towards unlocking your full potential. Contact RYL Neuroacademy today and start unlocking your potential.